Hey everyone, did you just try to log into Amazon and see your account locked? Don't worry, this happens a lot, and it's usually easy to fix. Let me show you exactly what to do. Let's go. First, why does this happen? Amazon may lock your account if there are too many failed login attempts, suspicious activity from a new device or location, unusual purchases, or security concerns. The good news is this is only temporary and meant to protect your account. First fix, just wait a bit. If your account was locked due to too many login attempts, it usually unlocks automatically within 10 to 30 minutes. Close the app, don't keep trying, and log in again later with the correct details. Next, reset your password. Go to the login page and tap Forgot Your Password. Enter your email or phone number, then enter the code sent to you. Create a new strong password and try logging in again. This works in most cases. Another step is verifying your identity. Check your email or messages for a verification link or code from Amazon. Follow the instructions, and your account should unlock quickly. Don't forget to check your spam folder too. Once you're back in, enable two-step verification. Go to your account settings, open Login and Security, and turn it on. This adds extra protection and helps prevent future lockouts. If nothing works, contact Amazon customer support. Go to the Help section and choose Contact Us. You can use live chat, call, or email. Live chat is usually the fastest. Explain your issue, and they'll help you unlock your account. Quick tips: always use a strong password, keep your email and phone number updated, and never share your login details or codes with anyone. And that's it. Wait, reset your password, verify your identity, enable security, and contact support if needed. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.